The White House confirmed Tuesday the country will not hit Joe Biden's goal of getting 70% of American adults to receive at least one COVID-19 vaccine shot by the 4th of July. White House COVID-19 coordinator Jeff Zients said the administration instead has met its 70% target for people 30 and older and is on track to hit it for those 27 and older by July 4th.
We think it'll take a few extra weeks to get to 70% of all adults with at least one shot, with the 18 to 26-year-olds factored in.
Noting that younger Americans are less eager to get the shot, Zients urges vaccinations of the younger population to prevent the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant. According to the CDC, the Delta variant, which was initially identified in India in December 2020, has already been detected in over 40 U.S. states. It is believed to be more transmissible, cause more severe disease, and could cause an upsurge in infections. But the levels will vary depending on the vaccination rates in each area.
The reality is many younger Americans have felt like COVID-19 is not something that impacts them, and they've been less eager to get the shot. However, with the Delta variant now spreading across the country and infecting younger people worldwide, it's more important than ever that they get vaccinated.
According to CDC data, roughly 144 million of people 18 and older are fully vaccinated, about 56% of the total population. But some states, such as Alabama, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Wyoming, have fully vaccinated less than 35% of residents. Concerns about vaccine safety and effectiveness were commonly cited barriers to vaccination.